Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best crystal chandeliers. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the LOCOÂ chrome finish crystal chandelier with 3 lights. If you need to preserve easy yet classic and fashionable, you can go together with LOCOA's crystal chandelier. It comes with a dainty and small link that complements with smaller rooms, and in case you do have a smaller location in your home which you need to decorate with modern-day lighting, this piece might be a wonderful piece to consider. This mini splendor is designed with a silver metallic fixture and transparent crystals. When all those 3 lighting fixtures illuminate, it is able to provide the enough light you want for your room. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the CRYSTOP Clear K9 Crystal Chandelier. There's nothing extra classic and modish than authentic crystals. They may sound steeply priced, however they honestly received compromise every bit of its high quality. This CRYSTOP crystal chandelier is one of the traditional pieces that you can test out. It is big, so it enhances well in eating rooms with excessive ceilings. The expensive layout and superb lighting fixture make it look even extra high-priced. You can put it up on the hallway, living room, eating room, or if you have a bar or a restaurant which you want to bathe with crystals and glittering jewels. You could anticipate not anything however actual beauty with this chandelier. At number 3, we have the Surpars House Crystal Chandelier. As what they say, everything's higher whilst together. This may be realized properly with crystal chandeliers. The crystals sparkle lots brighter while they're together, and this Surpars House Crystal Chandelier truly dazzle with all the crystal balls and vibrant small pieces which can be all hooked up on a metallic base. It lighting fixtures up with 3 mild bulbs but beautifully delivers the proper amount of lighting fixtures for your room. It isn't that huge, that's why it sparkles satisfactory with smaller rooms or regions in your home. At number 2, we have the St. Mossi Chandelier Modern K9 Crystal Raindrop Chandelier. This St. Mossi crystal chandelier is best used for rooms with high ceilings. With its raindrop style, you could decorate your room with an first-rate piece of a chandelier. It layers down and springs in an extended length and therefore, now not most excellent for rooms with small regions or spaces. It is straightforward to set up, and you may remove darkness from and beautify your room in only minutes. This suitable ceiling fixture is product of advanced materials that make it much greater long-lasting and reliable for long intervals of time. It is made of stainless steel cloth that complements with the sparkles of the dainty crystals. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hile Lighting Cool 300,074 Modern Chandelier Crystal Ball. Another pendant ceiling chandelier on our list is from Hile Lighting. The crystals all come in specific shapes that make the chandelier even more expensive. It isn't always that big and is derived with a dainty size that you can place up to your hallway, hall, or aisle. You can also place it at the ceiling of your room. It may be small, but it does remove darkness from brightly to mild up your room. It is straightforward to install and most effective, requires 1 mild bulb to mild it up. If you need to position up an additional piece in your house, or when you have a large hallway that you need to embellish with a pricey surroundings, this chandelier may be a beautiful piece. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this crystal chandeliers, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.